Hello everyone. Today we explore a transformative shift in digital commerce with the introduction of AI performance insights in Merchant Center. Traditionally, our focus was limited to the classic shopping grid, but this new feature opens a window into how your feed performs across AI mode, AI overviews, and Gemini. It is no longer enough to just be listed in a catalog. Your products must be fundamentally integrated into the actual answers that AI provides to consumers. This tool helps you understand that visibility, ensuring your brand stays relevant and prominent as the search landscape evolves into a more conversational and generative experience for global shoppers. We are moving beyond the grid into a world where your data is the answer. The fundamental shift we are witnessing is that shopping is no longer just a grid of ranked cards. In the classic model, products were displayed in a ranked wall where success was driven largely by bids and simple titles. Today's AI surfaces embed your products directly within a generated answer, reaching places your old reports never could. This means there is no longer a fixed position to rank for. Instead, visibility is driven by deep attributes and context. Previously, this level of visibility was invisible to retailers, making it impossible to optimize. Now, we can finally see how we perform and optimize by feeding the model better, more structured data to ensure your products are the ones being cited in the final response. So what does AI Performance Insights actually reveal? It provides three critical layers of data. First, it tracks your visibility across all major AI surfaces, including Gemini and AI overviews, moving beyond standard free listings and the classic grid. Second, it identifies exactly which products get picked by the models and which ones fail to make the cut, allowing for precise strategic focus on your catalog. Finally, it provides attribute-level signals. These are specific hints regarding the data completeness that AI leans on to choose your product over a competitor's. While the old system rewarded high bids and keyword titles, the new AI search landscape rewards the absolute completeness and richness of the data residing behind every SKU in your feed. There are 6 core feed elements that AI models lean on to decide if your product belongs in an answer. First, rich, specific titles are essential. They must describe what the product is, rather than being mere keyword soup that models often discard. Second, detailed descriptions provide the human-like context necessary for a query match. Third, structured attributes like material, fit, and use case allow the AI to reason about the product's suitability for a specific user need. Fourth, high-quality images are vital for visual models to accurately parse your offerings. Fifth, reviews and ratings act as social proof signals that AI uses to decide which products it trusts to cite. Finally, accurate price and stock information are mandatory. Models will drop stale listings almost immediately to ensure accuracy for the user. Remember, in AI search, your feed isn't just a catalog. It is the primary way the model understands your entire product line. Building a feed for an AI-first world requires 4 strategic moves. First, enrich every attribute. Fill every optional field, because in AI search, a blank attribute is simply a reason for the model to pick a competitor's product instead of yours. Second, write for both humans and models. Your copy must be natural yet carry the technical specifics required for a model to match you to a query. Third, add context signals such as occasion and compatibility cues, which serve as the reasoning cues AI uses to place you in the right answer. Finally, you must monitor and iterate. Use the new insights to see what surfaces and then feed those gaps back into your catalog. I recommend starting where the impact is highest, your best margin products that currently have thin data. To succeed, we must also avoid 5 common pitfalls. AI surfaces are unforgiving of a lazy feed. Keyword-stuffed titles are seen as noise and skipped by models parsing for actual meaning. Missing attributes leave questions that the model will answer by looking at a rival brand instead. Generic, boilerplate descriptions give the AI nothing to match on, while stale price and stock data lead to instant rejection from the results. Finally, the biggest mistake is ignoring the insights provided. This report only works if you create an active feedback loop. Visibility data alone changes nothing unless it leads to active enrichment of your product data to meet the model's needs. Freshness and detail are now the table stakes for modern e-commerce. In summary, our AI-first feed playbook is built on 3 pillars: enrich, structure, and monitor. You must enrich your data by filling all fields and rewriting titles for clarity. You must structure that data by including reasoning cues like use cases and maintaining high-quality imagery that the AI can interpret. Finally, you must monitor your AI performance insights weekly to identify gaps and prioritize your best margin SKUs. In this new world, your feed is the bridge between your product and the AI's answer. Feed it well, or risk being left out of the conversation entirely. By following this playbook, you ensure your products show up where shopping is actually moving. Thank you for your attention as we navigate this exciting new frontier together. If your advertising isn't delivering the results you expect, the problem may not be the budget, it may be the strategy. At Namster Marketing, we help businesses turn advertising into a predictable growth engine. Book a free consultation with our team and let's explore how we can help scale your results.